If you get the notion, stop on by and play a while. Simple tune to get your love light glowing. Keep your heart wide open, disappear just like the tide, let it roll on by. And jump right in, let the music pull you in. You can jump right in, or lose yourself again, as the southern wind sings again another lullaby. Southern wind sings again another lullaby.
You guys ready for the show? Oh my gosh, you guys are so sweet. How's everybody doing today? Oh my, it's nice to see you. Hey, how about a big hand for our dancing man, Wallaby? He's a good boy. I love him to pieces. He loves those songs. Cockatoos just really like rhythm. Well, Wallaby's going to just sit back in the green room for a bit, and you're going to come out in a little bit, I promise. But we're going to get the show. Oh, you got to wait there. You got to wait right there. And then here's our treat, because you're my best boy. We're going to see him a little later. Welcome to the Bird Show, everybody. My name is Nancy, and I've got some wonderful friends to introduce you to. Yeah. Here's a big one. Her name is Squeak. Squeak is a Catalina macaw. Let me see. She's gonna talk to everybody. Squeak, can you say hello? Say hello. Say hello. Okay. She's like, I'm not sure about this day. I'm not so sure. She's a funny bird. She's about 23 years old. The Catalina macaw is a cross between a scarlet and a blue and gold macaw. That's why she has such pretty colors. She can be a very cranky bird. She can also be a very snuggly bird. Can I have a big hug? A big one? Oh, that's nice. Can you sing? Let's give her a big hand. That was weird. That was weird, but I love her. You're a good girl. Let's see. But I'll try this one. This is Squeak's impression of a 6.9 California earthquake. They are very... Come here. You want to sit there for a sec, Pumpkin? I'm going to see if she wants to do a couple of toy tricks. I love these tricks. Hey, you want to shoot a little basketball? Let's try it. This is kind of adorable. Let's give her a big hand. That was nice. And let's try this one. This is my favorite one. Here's her little bank. She's gonna save some money for us. Somebody's got to do it. So here's our little bank. There's a slot in the top. That's where she's gonna put the quarters. And here's the thing. This is actually a bit tricky because when Squeak is right in front of something, she can't see it because of where her eyes are. So notice how she can use the tip of her beak and her tongue, of all things. She uses her beak and tongue just like you and I use a hand. And she can manipulate things. So right now she's kind of feeling the quarter going, that's a quarter. Okay. You want to put that in there for us? Right there? So I'm not sure. Give me a sec. You want to put it in? Right there? Okay, good. Thank you. She's so cute. Can you put it in there? Just like that. Good girl. There's another one. Now, I'll tell you, that slot is only wide enough to take 1/4. So I'm going to give her 2 and watch how she uses them. You know, she'll put both quarters in her mouth and then just like that. Super easy. Good girl. And I've never tried 3. I don't know if she'll, oh my. Let's see. She's never done that. She's like, I can do it. 1. Oh, they went in together. That's crazy. Give her a big hand. I can't believe it didn't fit. Did you get it in there? Did you get it? Okay, good job. She's a good girl. Squeak's going to come back out and do more stuff in the show, but for right now, we're going to ask her, here's one of your treats still right there. She's such a cute bird. But here's gives you an idea of the dexterity of their beak. You see that stuff falling out of her mouth when she eats? What I'm giving her are little, raw, shelled sunflower seeds. But if you've ever looked at one, you'll see there's a little, very, very thinner than paper, thin membrane on each of the little kernels. And she's taking her tongue and beak and tearing that off and then discarding that. They don't have to, but some of the birds are like, I like my seeds, just seeds. Let's give her a big hand. She did such a good cause. I love her. We're going to see her in a little bit. But right now I want to introduce you to a very sweet little girlfriend. Her name is Lola. Whoops. Lola is a beautiful yellow-crowned Amazon parrot. She's such a cool girl. She's gonna do some talking for you too. Let's see what she's got to say. Lola, can you sing a greeting? Can you sing hello? Hello. Good job. Very nice. Thanks. Can you say one more time real big? Hello. Hello. Good job. Let's give her a big hand. Nice. Can you say hello, La? Hello, La. Hello, La. Hello, La. Good girl. Say hi. 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 Isn't that irritating? We got her for free. That's why. Can you do some animal sounds? Can you do a rooster? Good job. Can you do a chicken? No. Oh, yes you can. So silly. Come on, we like it. Come on, do a chicken. It's a funny chicken. Let's try this one. Can you do a kitty cat? No. She's being so silly. Come on, Lola. Okay, now I'm gonna be the boss. Lola, do the kitty cat. No. Yes. No. Don't you guys want to hear the kitty cat? Yeah. No. Oh. Okay, this will work. If you guys call the kitty, she won't be able to resist, and she'll do it. Try it. Good job, everybody. Let's give you a big hand for that. Oh, that was good. You want to hear her sing a little bit? All right, let's see if we can do some singing. Can you do a scale? Can you go la 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 la? Pretty. La 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 la. Oh my gosh. La la la. Ah, okay. That was big. I would like her to sing a song. Wouldn't you love to hear a song? Yeah, we don't always get what we want. We're gonna try. I spent a year just sitting with her every day and singing songs to her so she could learn them. And oh my gosh, has she learned to sing. She loves to sing, but she doesn't care what I'm singing. She writes all her own material, and I don't know where she gets it. It's very weird. So we're gonna do a song. Do you know the song Somewhere Over the Rainbow? Do you like that song? And then I'm sorry. We're gonna wreck it. But here we go. This is Lola's rendition of Somewhere Over the Rainbow. I'm gonna start her off, and then she'll take over. Are you ready? Here we go. Somewhere over the rainbow. I don't know what that is, you guys. All right, let's give it a minute. Yeah, that was... Gotta give you a minute to recover from that one, I guess. It's weird. Good girl. Let's try this. This is a silly game, but I like playing it with her because she's a little pumpkin. No. We're gonna see if who can be the scariest of the monsters. So I'm gonna do my monster sound, and then she'll do hers. She has a really good head swivel on this. It's really cute. So let's see who does the best. Ready? Here, I'll go first. Ready? Ooh. Yeah. Okay, I think she might have won that one. We're going to do one more. This is her impression of a big, ferocious guard dog. Let's give her a big hand, everybody! She's such a good girl. She really is. She's feisty. But I like that about her. Can you sit right there, little bug? Right here, let me get you on your porch. Now, the bird we're going to introduce you to next is not in the parrot family. However, she is a tropical bird, but a very different kind of tropical bird. Oh my gosh, I hope you guys really like her, because it's very rare to see one of these guys in a bird show. And we've been friends for a super long time, so she comes with me. You guys ready? Yeah. Okay. Ready? Come on out, Pumpkin. Right? This is our beautiful Toucan Maya. Let's give her a big hand. Right? Isn't she pretty? Do you guys like her? Yeah. Good, because this is all she does. Oh, she's pretty. And then she's food all over me. She is actually the coolest girl, and what she's doing right now is actually kind of extraordinary. Because toucan are not usually out in the open. They don't like it. But I've been working with her forever. It's always just her and I. And let me tell y'all something. She can fly away if she wants to. I'm not holding on to her. She's just sitting on my arm. And if she sees something she thinks is scary, and for her that would be something that looks like a bird of prey, she'll just fly and hide. That's what she'll do. Like she might go fly and hide under there in that booth because it looks like that rainforest. You know, you can get down under the canopy. Well, watch. I'm going to ask her to get on the table, and you'll see that she flies herself down there. Can you go right there, bud? See? So she's totally flighted. Now, these birds are fruit eaters. I've got some papaya. I'm going to toss her this, and she's totally going to catch it. 1, 2, 3. See? It's cute, right? Not like applause-worthy cute, or... I know, this is like me dragging you to my kid's piano recital. Like, she's amazing! Come on! Alright, let me throw her another one. Okay, here we go. What? Oh, come on! I'll go back further. 1, 2, 3! Yay! Give her a big hand. Get some more. Now we can make that look trickier. That's again, just something you can do. She's not trained to do stuff. But we can show you something that does look kind of cool. You want to come here, babe? So, okay, this time I am going to toss her the papaya from behind her. Now, when we're lined up like this, it looks like she can't see me, right? But she can. Toucan have such great peripheral vision that if you're lined up with this stripe, she's still looking at you with both eyes. Because their eyes are way up. Yeah, totally. So, did I just say totally? Sorry. So goofy. All right, so she's going to stand right here, and I'm going to go behind her, and I'm going to toss her a treat, and she's totally going to see it coming and catch it. It looks like, you know, she's catching it without seeing it. But she's totally... So here we go. Okay. What? Okay, don't move your head, honey. That makes the trick look less scary. Okay, don't.
No.
Honey, now you just got. Give her a big hand. She's the best bird. She's the best girl. I want to do one more thing with her. It's not a bird show thing. It's just really awesome. Can you hear the noise she makes when I pet her? In the back, I know you can't hear it. So I'm going to get my microphone in there and see if you can. Is that the coolest thing ever? I know. She makes that beautiful purr. She's so sweet, you guys. I am telling you, this is the cuddliest animal I've ever worked with. Who knew? Who knew? I mean, this bird, you look at her and you think to yourself, oh sure, it's all fun and games until somebody loses an eye. But that's a big beak, right? Looks like she's gonna pop it right, but no. Sweetest, nicest bird. I love her so much. She's over 20 years old. We've been together a long time, and I feel very grateful to have her. The only downside about a toucan is when you have a bird that eats a lot of fruit, what else does your bird do a lot? Yep, she poops every 8 minutes. So you know what? It's time for her to go, because it's time for her to go. Let's give her a big hand. She did a good job. I love her. She's such a wonderful bird. And she's really, I mean, at 20, she's kind of getting to be a little old lady. We're going to have Squeak come down in a minute, but I want to bring out my handsome dancing man for you again. The bird we brought out before the show started that was being so cute, that's Wallaby. And I have known Wallaby longer than I have known anybody, except my sister. So he's been with me forever. You want to come out? Can you get on your perch for a sec, baby? There you go. It's easy to pick you up there. There you go. Come here, love. Yeah. Everybody, let's give him a nice welcome, shall we? He likes it. He likes it. Wallaby is a sulfur-crested cockatoo. He's about 42 years old. They live a long, long time like all the parrots do. And we're gonna see if he can talk to you a little bit. He's pretty cute. Can you say hi, Wallaby? That's not funny. No, just say hi, Wallaby. You think you're funny, huh? He's cracking himself up. I get it, because I said hi to Wallabies. You watch too much TV, my friend. Okay, I'll tell you what. Let's rephrase the question. Why don't you wave with your little foot and say hi? Let's give him a big hand. Oh, wait, I thought he was done. My bad. Go ahead. All right, good job. All right. Let's do some. Okay, wait, sorry. I was too soon. Go ahead. He likes to say hi to everybody one at a time. A really long show. It's a good thing he's cute. Are you done? Is that it? One more? All right, good. I think we got them all. So no, put that down. I think we got it. No, put it down. There you go. No, down. There. We're gonna do some people sounds now. No. How about if you guys say hi? You guys are good birds. Very nice. How about this? Can you give everybody a big kiss? Can you cough? Doesn't he look like he's really coughing? Looks like he's having a little bird problem. He's not. Ready? Cough. So much drama. He feels fine, I'll promise. Here, we'll show you. Wallaby, can you show him that you feel really good? Let's move this. Can you dance for everybody a little bit? You want to dance? Say, want to dance? A little dance. For those of you that missed him in the beginning, can you dance? Good job. And here's this big dance. Go. That's my favorite. I like the whole mohawk deal. Ready? Go. Let's give him a big hand. He likes it a lot. He likes it. Yeah. I know. This next one we did on TV a couple of times. We did the Tonight Show with Jay Leno a long time ago. And we did Animal Planet's Pet Star. This is Wallaby's one and only impression. It's a good one. This is Wallaby's impression of watching a really fast race. So this is Wallaby and he's watching a race. Ready? And they're off. Meow, 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 meow. Little break in traffic there. Meow. Let's give him a big hand. Wallaby has one more. I think you have one more, right? Okay. There's one more for you. This is a major applause point, and Wallaby's part of the show. So is everybody ready? Yeah. Wallaby, are you ready? You take a bow. There you go. How about a big hand for this handsome boy? I love him. He's such a good boy. Come sit here, my love. I'll see you in a couple minutes. We have 3 shows a day, every day here at the fair. Our morning one is usually at 11 o'clock over at the pageant stage, you know, where they do the nightly pageant, so cool. And then we get to come here. I like this in the daytime because we've got shade over here for you and the birds. So I like that they give us this stage. So if you enjoy our show, please share us with your friends, you know, like Facebook, whatever. I don't know all that stuff. I don't know, but yeah, because so that Instagram. Yeah, you got it. I know. I use Facebook. People say we call that manga. It's like whatever. I like it. But at the same time, if you didn't like the show, you know, don't say anything because it doesn't really help us in any way. We're gonna have Squeak do one more thing for you. She's gonna work with this apparatus right here. Let me see if I can scoot it over a little bit more into the center and check it for. Yeah, I think that's totally perfect. Okay. So this is called the pendulum spinner. The way it works, there's a weight on this end, and on the other end, Squeak can sit and hang on tight with her beak and her feet. Then, using nothing but parent power, thank you. She will swing her little birdie body back and forth until she goes all the way up and over the top. This is a very dangerous behavior. Only the bravest birds in the world do this trick. Squeak, tell us, are you ready? No. What's the matter? Are you scared? Are you? Give me a hug. It's okay. A big hug. Yeah. He's a good one. But don't be scared, because you can do this. How about if everybody cheers you on? Can you do it? All right. But you know what? Just in case we have technical difficulties, you better wave goodbye to him now. You guys are so adorable. She's really good at this. Watch how it works. Birds have more neck bones than we do. So Squeak can literally lay her head on her back. And it looks weird, but it's totally natural. That's how she makes this work. She taught herself how to do this. I'm just the cheerleader and the truck driver. I love this thing. She's the best. One more. Guys and girls, please let's give her a big round of applause. Come here, sweetheart. Guys and gals, did you enjoy meeting our birds today? Yeah. I'm telling you, they love you guys. You're the sweetest. Thank you so much for being a wonderful audience. We have another show coming up on this stage a little bit later. Where's our, oh, there he is. There's our little purple sign. So I think the next up on our stage will be Godfrey the Magician. It's really a wonderful show for everybody. I think you'll love it. So stick around. And then we'll have the Jack Sparrow's Pirate Show in a bit. Squeak, do one more thing. This is new. Can you wave with your foot? We've seen that. Wave with your foot and say bye-bye. Oh, that was me. That was me. I love how great you are. She's like, oh, that's amazing. It's because I covered my mouth. Say bye-bye. Oh, I could do the whole show that way. That would make the talking part so much better. Can you wave with your foot? Wait, one more real big. Say bye-bye. No, not that. It's going to be a long one. Say bye-bye. Oh, that's a good girl. Thank you so much, everybody. Have a great day with us here at the beautiful Riverside County Fair and National Date Festival. If you've never tried a date shake, man, do I recommend it. They are delicious.